Welcome back to my video, and today we're going to be playing with my dog, Dishwasher. Her name is Dishwasher. My brother named her, not me. Okay, get away from the camera. Come on, look at the camera. Look at it, but don't get closer. See? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Anyway, outfit check. I got Dishwasher. Come on. Come on. Okay. Here, let me. Okay. Fit check. Hair down. This cute top. Tie-dye pants, and then these slippers. So, yeah. And today we're gonna be doing extreme fetch. I love the balls over here. Okay. Let me get them. Basically, extreme fetch is where we throw down the roof. And then, woo! Here it is. So, hopefully you guys can see clearly. Yeah. Ready? Football. Here. Maybe. Off with your hand. If the camera falls, I'm sorry, guys. Oh, by the way, I got her rope on the roof because experimentation, and that didn't go well. I have no idea what time it is. Actually, the wheels. Sorry for the lights, the bright shining light. It's like, yeah, right here. Okay, you want to meet this sheet? Can you meet Dishwasher? Dishy, come on. Right here. Okay, this is my dog. Dishwasher, come sit. Sit. Right here. Dishwasher, sit. 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 Sit! Come on. Okay, sit. 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 Sit! She's not trained, but she can sit. Sit down. Please, I'll give you a treat if you sit your butt down. Just because you know is it in here doesn't mean you don't have to listen, okay? Sit! 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 Sit down! Come on. Sit! 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 Dishy! Sit! Sit! Here! Sit! Sit! Okay, look at the camera. Look at Okay, sorry guys, but this is my dog Dishwasher. This is my dog Dishwasher. She's so cute and she does not listen to anyone. Huh? Huh? We'll go inside in a minute, okay? do it from all the way over here. Okay? Okay, one more. Okay guys, that was the video. I'll see you guys in my next one.